No rain.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. I was on a video call with a very dear friend of mine in the United States just a few days ago. While we were speaking, she said, Naren, do you have a bird in your room? I was like, no, I don't have a bird in my room. And she says, did you hear the birds chatter? They are chirping so loudly. It was beautiful. And then my attention went to the birds, and I saw so many birds outside my window chirping and cheering. I have not seen so many birds chirping and heard so many birds chirping in a long while. I think this lockdown, especially where I am right now in India, has definitely allowed the birds to chirp and be more free. Also, what it has done is reduce the human communication level and the noises that we create, and brought forth the bird chirping much more. A really great lesson came to me when she said that, and the lesson was, where we pay attention is where the communication information we receive more in depth. What do I mean by that? You see, usually our attention is on the TV, news, media, etc. All these places that might cause a lot of panic to us. But there are also beautiful things going around. There's beautiful communication happening around us. Where we choose to pay our attention is the communication we will receive and is the communication we will process in our mind. So, to conquer communication, we also got to conquer our focus, where we place our focus, because where we place our focus is the kind of communication we will receive and the kind of communicators we will become. So, are you choosing to listen to all the panic on news and media, or are you choosing to also listen to the communication, the beautiful communication that's happening around us? The doctors, the nurses that are putting their lives, the birds chirping, all these things. The choice is ours. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.